While the previous video showed you how to embed a video into a Schoology assignment, I demonstrated using a page, but please do note that you could do this with an assignment or a discussion if you'd like. The process is the exact same. You can also embed a playlist into Schoology too. So to get started here, I have two tabs that are open. First off, Schoology, and second off, YouTube. So to set the stage, what I'm going to do is go to YouTube, where I have a playlist itself that's open. I'm going to click on Share for the playlist, and now I'm going to click on Embed. It's going to have a whole bunch of code that's really kind of intimidating, so what I'm going to do is hit Copy. What I'll do now is go on over to Schoology, and in this case, I can add a material. I personally am going to add a page to demonstrate what to do, but please do note that you can do this with the Add Assignment or the Add Discussion tool just the same. The buttons are the same and the functionality is the same. I'm choosing to use Page. What I'm going to see now is going to be my page editor. So I can call this maybe Playlist Embed. And here's where the magic is. You have a text editor, but when you go all the way over to this far right-hand side, you notice these two little circles. If you click on this, you're going to switch over to the HTML, which is all the code that's done to make web pages look the way they look. What we tend to do is use a text editor, and we don't really think about the code. We just bold and underline and change font size and what have you. What I'll do now is switch to HTML. And what I'll do is I'll actually paste that intimidating looking embed code that I copied a moment ago. That's what it looks like. What I'll do next now is hit Create. And if I scroll all the way on down to the bottom where it says Playlist Embed, and I click to open it, what I'll see now will be the actual playlist. In this case, there's 10 videos. I can click, and I can scroll on to whichever one I want. What's really nice from a teaching perspective is all the videos are here. A student doesn't have to go anywhere. It's all built out. If I had a splash page or a unit resource page like something like this, I could have all the video resources, learning goals, and things like this that I like to have. If I want to go to an assignment, I could put in a playlist. I can make a study guide. I can do a lot of things. I notice that this is kind of small. So what I'm going to do now is click over on the gear and choose to edit the page. And what I notice again is this yellow box. If I click on it, I can drag out the corners and I can make it a lot bigger and hit Save Changes. And now what you see here is the video is a lot larger. The students can see the videos again, and they can go to whichever one they'd like to go to and see everything that's in, and then they can watch the video. And that's how you embed a playlist into Schoology. The beauty now of this LMS is that you can incorporate video with text, with assignments, and with hyperlinks. And you don't have to send students to a bunch of different places, especially YouTube itself, where you know there's a lot of things that you don't want them watching. It's all built in right here. And that's how you would embed a playlist. And please do note that you can do this with the discussions. You can also do this with the assignments.